Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video how you can earn, as you can see right here, $190, $475, etc. for just submitting logos and pictures that you don't even have to design yourself, because I'm going to give you 2 free tools that is going to automate this process for you. And as I said, I'm going to show you 2 free amazing tools that I often use to automate this process for you, and that will do all the hard work for you, increasing your chances and boosting your chances of earnings. And this is a fairly new website and more an unknown website. This means it's really the right and ideal time to sign up on this website and get going with submitting your logos, which will increase your chances of earning as well. And this is free to sign up on, and it's also worldwide to do. And I'm also going to take you through the sign up process. And this is the website I've got right here, and this is a website or a business that is going to pay you for designing and submitting logos. But as I say, you don't need to design any of the logos yourself. Just stick with me so I can show you exactly how to master this. But this is the website here. It looks very professional. They're basically going to pay you to design logos, business cards, all sorts of digital design content. And the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up with your email password and verify your email with a verification email that they're going to send you. And then you want to come down to the bottom of this page. There is an option called design contests, and you will see a whole bunch of design contests added here. It's actually a design automated web design. So they're going to pay you $1,100 to build a web design, which is pretty cool. So it's also web design, but most of these are going to be logo designs. So you can see here, $280 for this gig, $190, $250, $135, $190, $190, $475, and they keep going on and on and on. And what I suggest is to submit a logo for each and every one of these to increase your chances of your logos getting submitted. And you can also play it more carefully. You can see or choose the ones that have less logos submitted, which means there's a higher chance of your logo winning. But I'm going to show you now exactly how you can master this and how you can get going about this. So I'm going to choose a random one. So I'm going to choose this one here. Musical Beast Musical Production Company needs a trend-setting logo. So this company specifically wants obviously a music related logo. So you can see if you click on this gig, they've got your background information, so you can actually see they want like musical, the name that must be incorporated into the logo. They don't actually want a slogan, the description of the organization and its target audience. So you've got music productions, singers and artists, the industry's entertainment, and this is sort of the colors and the style. So this page here is very handy because they actually give you an idea of what they're looking for. So you've got colors to explore. So they want obviously a very green style sort of logo. And then style attributes, so they want more of a classic logo, mature 50-50, feminine or masculine 50-50, more of a playful logo, more economical, and you can see the rest of the information, and also some more inspirations that give you an idea of the logos that they like. And you can see so far, I don't think there's anybody that's actually submitted a logo on this specific gig yet. Let's go have a look at the designs tab. Okay, there have been a few people. So there have been 10 people that have submitted a logo design on this one so far. You can see they're not bad, they're okay. But if you go back to the brief, and all you've got to do is you can see other notes, impress me, and they're going to choose the best one out of these designs, and you can potentially earn $250. They're going to pay that person who wins $250. And the free tool that I want to show you, it's probably one of my favorite websites so far, is freelogodesign.org, and you can create amazing and professional logos without any hard work or knowledge. It's literally a drag and drop that actually give you already made templates that you can just submit already, that is super professional. So if I come back to this page, you want to copy their company name, because obviously the name that they want to incorporate in the logo, and you want to paste this here, and the category is obviously music or instrumental, so I'm going to look for music. Okay, I'm just going to use entertainment and arts, and you can click on get started, and you'll see it will come up with a whole bunch of logos for you already related to music, the color, etc. So you can see there's Musical Beast. It's quite a nice one, so you can actually change the colors as well. If you choose some professional ones, you can see there's a couple of others. Also page 2. I'm just going to go through them and see which one I can find, which I think is the best. There's also environmental and green. There's fashion and beauty category, but I so far prefer entertainment and arts. So let's go to page 3 and have a look. That's not bad. So far, this one on page 1 is really nice. It's really professional. This one over here, and this one's okay, but it's not really the color they're looking for. If I go up to page 4, you can see there's a few here that's not bad. So I'm going to go back to page 1. and choose that one that I really like, that I think is professional. So I'm going to click on this one, and you can see you can actually edit the colors, because you can see they want more of a greeny color like this. So I'm just going to change a couple of these colors. You can click on the color, let's go green like that, let's go another light green that they want, and also let's go like a super, let's make this one a little bit lighter, it's just covering the black a bit. Okay, that's okay. And then like also a super light green. So that's pretty professional. That's really not bad for a basic logo that you can create. I mean, if I compare to these designs, I certainly think, or I certainly prefer this one so far. It's really professional and it's really simple. So I'm going to save this to my hard drive on my computer, and I'm just going to download it as the normal free resolution. So it will then be sent to your email, and you can download it off your email. So this is what your email is going to look like. It's going to look like this. Your logo is ready for download. So I'm going to download this off the email. You'll see it will open up in a new tab, and your download will start automatically, and you can see it saved on my computer. So then what I'm going to do is, if I open this up, you can see here, that is what it looks like, which is very professional. You want to then go to the folder where your picture has downloaded, and you want to click on right click edit, and it's going to open up your logo in a paint file or document on a canvas. Then you want to go right click on file, or click on file properties, and you want to set the resolution of this document to 720p. So that is 1280 by 720, because that is the required resolution of the logo on this website. So what you want to do is then you kind of just want to use the select tool, use the regular selection tool. You can drag a square over it. You can then move it towards the middle. You can censorize it, and you kind of can mess around with the colors. So you can make it black, you can make it white, but I like it white already. I actually prefer the white color. So I'm going to save it then like this at this resolution, and then I'm going to come over back to this website, and you can go submit design. But before you can submit a design, you need to verify your account with a picture of your ID and a picture of yourself, because obviously they don't want hundreds of people randomly signing up on this website taking no action. So they've got a very long process in signing up on this website. So you want to click on this option here, verify your identity, and it will then come up with the option to verify your identity. I've already tried so, but I didn't complete it, so that's why it's asking me to try again. Then it's going to ask you to start ID verification. So the verification process is designed to confirm your identity. So you click start, and it's going to ask you for your passport, identity card, or driver's license. So I'm going to use my identity card. Click on that, and you can upload a file or take a photo, and you kind of just want to upload the front of your identity card. So I've already got the front, you can see here. I've got a document already, so I'm going to click open, click confirm, and then you want to upload a picture of the back, which I've got that as well. Click confirm, and then they're going to ask you to upload an image of your face. So I've actually got a picture of myself already. I'm just going to use this one, it's pretty professional, and then I'm going to go complete, and you can see it's going to transmit your file, and it's going to check the image quality for your ID verification. And there we go, it says thanks, your ID is being verified. This can take a few minutes. Feel free to keep working in other tabs. Once your ID is verified, you can log into 99 Designs as usual, and then you can submit logos. So that is the only reason the logos on the contest page is all the button. I can't actually submit yet because my account hasn't been verified. So you'll see if I click on this one, the submit design says I must verify my identity first. So I'll get an email when my identity is verified, and then I can submit this design, and you can get a standard chance. You'll get an email notification if you've won or not. But as I say, come down to the contest page and submit a logo for every single one of these. Just submit a logo, create one that you think is as professional as possible, and just keep submitting them on each and every one, increasing your chances of earning. And you can see you can filter it by all categories, and you can go to logo and identity, and you can go through all the pages. I mean, there's about what, 50, I'd say 30, between 30 and 40 logo opportunities for you to earn on the first page, and there's 19 pages. So you can work out what you can potentially earn if you submit to every single one of these. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below what you think of this website. If you need help with signing up on the site, I know it's a bit of a process to sign up, comment down below and I'll help you out. You can also DM me on Instagram at jfroneman. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe down below so I can send you a notification every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. And if you're also new to the channel and you want to see a topic idea, if you need help with a specific topic or a specific solution to making money online, also comment down below and I'll help you out. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.